I made over $5,000 using nothing but free AI tools, and I don't know how to code at all. No programming, no design background. Just me, my laptop, and a few AI tools anyone can access for free. If you think AI is just for tech nerds or engineers, this video is going to flip that idea on its head. Let me take you back just a few months. I was stuck. Bills were piling up. My day job barely covered rent, and I was desperate for something, anything, that could help me earn extra income. I tried all the usual side hustles, dropshipping, surveys, affiliate marketing, and honestly, most of them felt way too complicated, or like they'd take forever to pay off. And then I stumbled onto ChatGPT. At first, I treated it like a toy, asking it silly questions, trying out jokes, even using it to draft a birthday message. But one day, while messing around, I asked ChatGPT to help me write a blog post for fun. And it was good. Like, shockingly good. With a bit of editing, it sounded like something I could actually charge for. And that's when the light bulb went off. I realized I didn't need to be a writer. I didn't need to be a tech genius. I just needed to use these tools the right way, to solve real problems for people who didn't have the time or skills to do it themselves. So I got to work. Step 1. Find the problem. I started thinking, who needs content every week but hates writing? Answer, small business owners. They run restaurants, gyms, e-commerce stores, coaching programs. But when it comes to writing emails, product descriptions, or social media posts, they either procrastinate or pay a fortune to hire someone. So I positioned myself as the middle ground. Quick, clean, affordable content powered by AI. Step 2. Package the solution. Now, I didn't just say, I'll write something for you. I created offers that were clear and specific. I'll write 5 SEO blog posts for your website, $100. Email marketing content using AI, 3 emails for $75. Product descriptions for your Shopify store, $5 each. I kept it simple. No hourly rates. Just fixed price services they could say yes to. Step 3. Get on the platforms. I created gigs on Fiverr and Upwork. But here's the key. I was honest. I didn't pretend to be some award-winning copywriter. I simply said, I use AI tools like ChatGPT to help businesses create great content fast. That transparency actually helped me stand out. In fact, a lot of clients told me they hired me because I was honest about using AI. They wanted speed and efficiency, not some writer's ego. And since I delivered what they needed, they came back. Some even referred me to others. At step 4, deliver like a pro. Here's exactly how I delivered high-quality content. 1. I asked ChatGPT to generate the first draft. 2. I reviewed it, rewrote anything that felt robotic or off-brand. 3. I ran it through Grammarly and Hemingway editor for clarity. 4. I added relevant keywords or brand-specific language when needed. The entire process took maybe 20-30 minutes per order. Fast for me, high value for the client. One client needed weekly blogs. Another needed Instagram captions. One e-commerce brand needed 100 product descriptions, done in a weekend. Before I knew it, I crossed $5,000 in earnings. Here's the truth. Was it easy? Not exactly. I still had to show up, communicate, meet deadlines, and put care into the edits. But did it require tech skills or years of experience? Not at all. I didn't learn to code. I didn't buy expensive software. I just used free tools in a smart way and offered something real people actually needed. The biggest mistake people make with AI is thinking it replaces work. It doesn't. It enhances your ability to work smarter, faster, and better. What you really need is a problem to solve, a tool that helps you solve it faster, and the courage to ask someone to pay for it. That's it. Kiss. Final thoughts. If you've been thinking about starting a side hustle but feel overwhelmed by all the techie stuff, start here. Start small. Offer a service using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Grammarly. Most of them are free. Find a niche. Package your service. Put it out there. Improve as you go. You might not hit 5K overnight, but I promise, this is way more real than most of the overnight success stuff you see online. And if you want me to walk you through the exact steps I used to create my Fiverr gig, write the AI prompts, and get my first client, drop a comment saying AI hustle, and I'll make a full breakdown video. No gatekeeping. No fluff. Just the exact steps you can use to start today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this valuable, consider hitting that subscribe button. I share weekly tips on real, honest ways to earn more using tools you already have access to. Let's get to work.